So you guys, I had that conversation with my goats and they came around to think that Weed-Free Gardening was going to be the best book ever. They have actually told me that they really think everybody should buy a copy, oh, and get goats. So now I'm going to try to convince the chickens and ducks that Weed-Free Gardening is good for the world and for the poultry world. Here, let's see what they think. Guys, you weren't really supportive the other day when I brought my book to show you. And so I wanted to find out why. I mean, it doesn't have anything to do with you thinking that I'm suddenly going to stop giving you weeds or anything, right? Because I know that the way to my chickens and ducks' hearts is by collecting all of those early spring weeds that come up just before I start gardening. And that's one of the things that I cover in Weed-Free Gardening. So you guys have nothing to worry about. You will absolutely still get delicious treats from my garden that some people call weeds, but chickens and ducks call food. So I think we convinced them. Weed-Free Gardening, everybody should get a copy. Right, guys?